Greetings to all my Kurdish followers around the world, and anybody who enjoys international music, because in my channel we do it international. It's me, Drill. So today we're gonna do some Kurdish. So you guys requested these two singers. So thank you for all the love and support. You guys are amazing. I am so overwhelmed that you guys like me, because I feel like people hate me. But I love you. Anyways, let's go and watch this one. I hope it's a bop and not a flop. Alain, Hazim, and Agreen Dilshad. You see, this is what I like. I like that little sound that like most Middle Eastern, Arabic, like people from over there, when they sing, they have that like, I like that, you know. I want to sing like that, but I can't. Like, I want to do that, you know, but I can't. You see, like, he sings and he's like, yeah, like, I want to do that. You see, he's like, yeah, like, yes. I feel like he's not even, like, I don't know what he's saying, but it's I love it. Ooh. Oh, okay, I don't know, what is this? Is this a song or what is this? I don't know. This reminds me of the other men that we watch. It's like they're freestyling, they're just singing. It's not a song, they're just singing whatever. Hey, hi Maro, I like that. Hey, I feel like I want to belly dance, okay? Hey, okay. It's so different. Like, I don't know, like, it's like, it's weird, but like good, you know? I'm not used to this music, but it's very like, you know? You see, they start doing the like, yes. Is this like a techno song? I don't know. Maybe you can do that little dance that we did in the other video. Hana, do you know Hana? Yeah, okay. I feel like he said Disney Channel or something. Disney, huh? Something like Disney. Like, it has a rhythm. Like, I will shake, okay? Shakulukulu. Okay. There you go, everybody. Definitely, this is something new. It's like a different style of music. It was more like fast, more danceable, more like, I don't know them, but it sounded really nice. And like I said, they're using this type of voice that they do, like they do that, and I love that. Anyways, if you guys want more, keep comment. I'm gonna continue looking at the old videos to see what other things you react if you guys want me to review. It's so many videos. I am so sorry I'm taking so long, but I will get to all of them sooner than later. So love you, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.